guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you my everyday makeup look. I prefer this makeup look whenever I go out, like meeting a friend, going to a cafe or for shopping. I follow a very minimal skincare and makeup for my everyday makeup routine. And yeah, in this video, I am going to use this recently launched K Beauty cream blushes. So if you want to know how I do my everyday makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna jump in with my moisturizer first, and I'm taking this Collagen and Pomegranate moisturizer from Face Shop. As you can see, the consistency of this product is thick. This moisturizer is one of my favorite moisturizer and I use this every day before makeup, and it makes my skin so glowy and juicy. Especially since it's summer, I do not always use foundation whenever I go out. So this makeup look is without foundation, without contour and without highlighter. If you guys are stepping out in these summer days, please don't forget to use sunscreens. I have a few sunscreens recommendations for you in case you want to try out. First one is this Lotus Safe Sun. It has UVA and UVB. It also has SPF 50 with PA++++. It's a gel sunscreen. It blends beautifully on the skin and doesn't leave any white cast. Next one is the L'Oreal Paris Super Aqua Essence with SPF 50. As you can see, the consistency of this product is quite creamy and it absorbs into the skin beautifully and doesn't leave any white cast. The last one is this Clear Soft Airy UV Essence. It has also SPF 50 and the consistency is water-based gel and it's a vegan sunscreen. These three sunscreens are my go-to sunscreens. Alright, continuing with my makeup look, I am gonna use concealer now, and I am putting this concealer under my eyes, around my mouth, on my nose, and yeah, I just want to brighten up my face a little bit. Generally, I don't use foundations in these summer days. I only use a little bit of concealer whenever I use my contact lens. As you guys can see, I don't have such acne, blemishes or pigmentations issues. Only I want to brighten up my face a little bit. That's why I use this concealer. This concealer is my absolute favorite and it will give you a full coverage. Next, I'm gonna use this K Beauty cream blushes. These blushes just launched in Nykaa and I called for these two colors. First one is the Rosy Romance and the second one is the Flirty Nude. As you can see, the texture of this product is quite moussey. This color is Flirty Nude and this color is Rosy Romance. Both of these colors will suit skin tone up to NC 30 to 35. I have been loving these cream blushes so lately. As you can see, the product is quite tiny. It's like 10 ml of product. Okay, I'm going with this color Rosy Romance first. As you can see, it's a beautiful pinkish nude color and I think it will suit skin tone up to NC 30 to 35. It's super lightweight, highly pigmented and gives you a natural finish, and also you can build it up the color. Here I am using the shade Flirty Nude and this color will suit light to fair skin tone. Oh my god, these colors are absolutely stunning and you can use these colors on your bare skin as well as on foundation. You can apply this product with your hands or with a blending sponge. Alright, moving on to the brows, I am using this brow kit by Swiss Beauty and I am picking this brown color and just gonna fill in the gaps. At this point, if you are feeling that your under eyes are freezing because of concealer, you can take a compact powder and just tap in it under your eyes. Here I am using the M.A.C compact powder in the shade of NC 30. I am only dabbing the compact powder on my T-zone and I am not touching my cheeks. Now moving on to mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is a waterproof and smudge proof mascara. And the last but not the least, I am going to use this lipstick. This one is from NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade of Ganesh. This one is a pinkish nude color. This is a everyday sort of nude color. And I'm gonna top it off with this lip gloss. This is from Sephora. This lip gloss is my absolute favorite, and yeah, it makes my lips so juicy and shiny. So yeah, this is my everyday sort of makeup look for these summer days. And as you can see, my skin is looking so juicy and healthy and glowy. And yeah, if you love this look, please do give it a thumbs up. And I will see you soon guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.